Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and we're gonna get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. On this episode, we're going to show you how you can participate in the Azomi ISPO. So I didn't think there was going to be a ISPO where you can actually stake your MELD to a pool, but that is happening, and I'm going to explain how this is going to work. So I listened to an AMA. It helped me come out with the node video. So if you guys want, you guys can like, comment, subscribe. And if you do that, also guys, head over to the channel and check out the node sale video. So I did a video on basically giving you tips how you can get registered to participate in the node sale. And that will be up on the channel here. So if you guys can, definitely check it out. So I will show you step by step how you can participate in that. So what we're going to do in this episode is show you how you can participate in the Azomi ISPO. So guys, with that being said, there's so much information going on, but I want to break down a couple of key things that I took away from that chat. So the Meld with Us chat, I love listening to those. They're great. So shout out to Ken. Continue to do those, please. I think it's great. I like the transparency and I like the information access there. So as you guys know, Azomi is the first DEX on MELD. It's been great, and they do have a token that will be coming out. And the way they're doing it is going to be based on activity on their DEX. So their decentralized exchange, when you're doing swaps, etc. Now, what you can do is you can also stake your MELD to the Azomi ISPO, which we're going to be doing in this video. And by doing so, I believe this will boost those shard rewards. So we're going to go over that and more. So let me go to Azomi to give you an idea. I will have links down in the description below for you. So this is what it is. It's shards up here. So based on your activity, shards are here to reward our most loyal users. The more you interact with Azomi, the more shards you will earn. So if we head over to the MELD wallet, okay, you're going to see this ISPO. So it's a 5-day epoch, okay? So here I've got different assets that are in ISPOs. In fact, one of them, and I'm going to show you how to roll over if you are in the DEGA one. So I'm going to show you how to change your pool if available, and we're going to create a new staking pool as well. So here on the 1 year, I'm already in one of them. So the Azomi ISPO, welcome to the Azomi ISPO pool. Staking to this pool will give the user wallet a multiplier when using the Azomi DEX. The ISPO will count towards Azomi shards, the point system for DEX usage. So guys, transparency mode here. I've literally added 500,000 to one of the Azomi MELD pools. So maybe I could even connect that just to share with you a little bit. So connect wallet. I'm just trying not to give away all of my wallets and stuff, as you guys know. It can be difficult. So just to show you, I've got a MetaMask wallet set up and it's preparing to earn. So I'm adding 500,000 MELD to the Azomi ISPO. So I'm doing this. So guys, invest at your own risk. I'm not telling you to pick this pool. I'm just sharing with you what I'm doing and why a little bit. So there we go. I got that wallet connected just to give you guys a little idea, to show you I'm committed to MELD. I'm committed to the future of this entire chain, this entire project. So what we're going to do here, we got two things. Number one, I'm going to show you, if you were in the DEGA ISPO, now is the time for you to switch your pool. So here is a 1 year, and I noticed something that was really cool. So if you have a 1 year ISPO, and let's say that ISPO is done, whatever it may be, you can actually change pools. So this is the DEGA one, and it's inactive. Here we're going to go down to change pool, okay? Select pool, and we're going to go to Azomi. Might as well go into Azomi, why not? And because we have the 1 year, we can now just switch it and it's going to finish our year here. So change pool. And you gotta love MELD. MELD is sick, man. I don't even know if there's transaction costs for this. I don't know what it is exactly, but guys, MELD is so cheap. It's so fast. I've been so impressed. So here it's already updating. You guys can refresh staking data up here as well. So guys, on a scale of 1 to 10, how impressed are you with the MELD app? And guys, I believe we'll be able to do most of this on the mobile app. I don't know, but that will be cool. So that's the future of all this. Okay, so we did that. So if you guys wanted to switch your pool, change pools, that's how you do it. Now, we're going to assume, and I think I'm in, no, I still have a 1 year MELD. So this one, guys, I'm not going to switch because I got like 14% like returns here. How much have I made on this one? I thought it showed. There was one where I was looking, I was like, dang. So rewards to date, 3,200 already on this one. So this is earning a pretty good yield. I recently recouped like 4,000 MELD. So guys, these rewards have been sweet. So with the Azomi, 0 rewards to date. I don't know when you're going to get the tokens. But again, this is going to add a multiplier to the activity that you have based on the DEX there. Okay. So what else do we have here? We got the 1 year. Yeah. So we got a couple of Azomis. So I'm going to assume that if we guys head over to the wallet here, I'm going to assume that you have MELD on MELD. Okay. So I got a couple of different wallets here. And what we're going to do is use the one with 5,000 MELD. So I'm going to assume that you have a little bit of MELD. You're going to go to stakeable assets. Okay. So earn up to 19,000 MELD on MELD. So here is, yeah. So this is my MetaMask. This is my MELD on this wallet. Here's some Cardano. So Cardano, we could be doing that as well. So for example, if you guys have a wallet connected, MELD on MELD, click on that. Then you're going to choose Azomi under available pools. It's probably going to be pinned at the top. Hit Azomi, stake. Now you can do a 6 year, 1 year, whatever it may be. So first we're going to go here. Let's stake. Let's do another 4,000 MELD, like 50 bucks. We're going to do no lockup or 6 months. What should we do? It's not a big amount. Let's just do 6 months, right? The moose will get loose on that. I really don't recommend that you guys do a 1 year before we're about to enter a bull run. Pretty obvious there, because if MELD goes to $1, you know, you're not going to get access to be able to sell any MELD. So that's just a pro tip. So there we go. You initiated delegation to a Azomi staking pool. And now if we go to staked assets, we will see this updated. So we have 4 positions. We should see 5 here in just a second. Okay, there we go. So we now have a 6 month, 4,000. And guys, MELD is sick. And I like the way that it's fluid. It all rolls over into it. So guys that work at MELD, congratulations. What you've been building is fantastic. I've been very impressed with this. So you guys are helping out with the entire project by doing this. So guys, comment down below. How much MELD have you been staking? And guys, just let me know. So guys, head over to the link tree. I'm gonna have to update this. I gotta update this all the time. Moose is trying to get loose, but just information is coming out like crazy. So guys, pick up a Tangem wallet, save 10% off using code Moose. I've been reaching out to Tangem, telling them, hey, I don't see MELD on here. I'm gonna cut my card in half with scissors. Like, let me know. So guys, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.